welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy, and for today's tips and tricks video we are looking at the stamp pad. Now when we purchase the stamp pad it comes wrapped in plastic, all ready to go, nice and secure and clean. What we want to do is we want to label it all so it's really easy for us when we open it up and when we pick it out, that we know which colour is which. Now the big game changer here is inside our ink pad. So when we have all our ink pads lined up, it was always very hard to work out, especially if the colours were very similar, which one was which that we were stamping from. This makes it so much easier. There's a little sticker to go inside, so no more of your customers stamping the wrong colour into your ink pad. This should really stop it all. So I have closed this up. This is just one that I have just to show you how to do it. Let's open this one up. This is a brand new one, Grapefruit Grove. And on the back is where all the stickers are. So we're just going to peel off from this side. Now the first one is completely, there is no writing on it, whereas all the other ones have writing. Now the one that has no writing, I'm actually going to open the stamp pad up and stick inside this little well here. So easy enough to pop in there, and then you're going to know that's Grapefruit Grove. Now when you stick them in, if you've got the Stampin' Up storage for your ink pads, the front here is always showing, and if you don't have your stickers on there you're not going to know what one you have. So this one is the one that you're going to get, the Grapefruit Grove in English. I'm going to pick that one up. And on the very front, just down the bottom here. Easy. So we have three other ones left. They're all different languages. So we have three others left here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put, you can either put them on all three sides or just on the two sides. It doesn't really matter. I find it just as easy to use all three. You've got them there, why not use them? And it really doesn't matter unless you can speak all the different languages. You're just going to pop them on the side there. Grapefruit on the back. And I'll also just get rid of that, we don't need that there. That then becomes normal bottom. It's not sticky in any way, so it doesn't matter. So super easy to set your ink pads up. Makes it really easy when you have them in your storage or when you've got them on your table to use, or for your customers when they are doing a class. So I hope this has helped you out. If it does, please leave me a message. I would love to hear your comments. Don't forget to hit like, and I'd love it if you subscribed. Until next time, have a wonderful day. See you later.